What's the issue with photo backup? Well, for the most part, we don't do it, right? On here is this magical software that is going to seek out and find every photo, every video, every piece of media on your computer, no matter what it is, and download it to this automatically without you doing anything other than hitting one button. Who can get more photos and videos in a minute's time? So here we go.
Okay, ready? Oh, you're just pushing
I'm on the big green go button.
Okay.
We're going in 3, 2, 1, go. Right here, I searched through 3,273 different folders, and I found 1,133 photos.
Okay, that may be a little easier.
And
that
I
may
did
have worked a little
nothing.
better.
All I did was click go and walk away. If you actually tried to find all of the pictures and video on your computer and archive them, would you even know where to look? Would you even know where they all are? Would you even be able to remember if you were missing something? It could be an incredibly important photo of maybe your grandmother or your child graduating from high school. The PhotoStick solves all that.